If you're frustrated by getting less than a year's worth of service from a leather watch band, a silicone or rubber watch band may be the solution to the problem. My first try for a rubber watch band was Timex's Iron Man. It held up longer than the leather bands. It has lips on the end of it that make it difficult to compress the spring bar and attach it to the watch. The band material was more durable than a leather band. However, after a while, the buckle end started to pop off the watch. I tried a new spring bar, and that didn't solve the problem, and I thought that the holes in the watch had egged out and were causing the band to pop off of the watch. I bought a new watch and had the same problem with the old band. I bought Speidel's scrub watch replacement band and liked it so much that I bought a second one. There are different widths and colors, though in the 14mm width I could only get black. The list price is $10.95 and it costs $5 or $6 to ship it to my home. I have a very small wrist, about 6 inches in diameter, but still have one hole of adjustment left. The band is about 7 3/4 inches in length, not counting the buckle. It comes with 2 spring bars that have a knob on them. The knob makes installation easy. The only downside I found is that the bottom of the band is a little bulky. Perhaps this information will help you decide if this is the right watch band for you. Thanks for watching.